Hello Science and Tech Explorers, welcome to your channel Science and Tech Explorers. So today we'll learn a typical computer type, quantum computers. First, to understand quantum computers, they are a huge technology actually. We should learn basic computers. So basic computers, whether it is mobile or PCs and supercomputers, they work on bits. What are bits? Bits are actually 0 and 1. It is the smallest point in which information is stored. Everything in normal computers is stored in bits. So, what is special in quantum computers? Quantum computers actually have 3 types of bits. Actually, it is a different type of bit. It uses a different type of bit, not a bit, but qubit. In full form, quantum bit. So, what is a quantum bit? Quantum bit can be 0, 1, and both at a time. How can a qubit be both at a time? Because it uses a strange quantum mechanics property known as superposition. What makes the quantum computer extremely strong and typical to handle the situations? So it uses mainly 2 properties. First, it is the superposition. When a quantum bit is still at both points. Imagine a coin is spinning like this. Coin is spinning like this, and it is not just a head or tail at a time. It is both at a time. So this quantum property is known as the superposition. And next property is quantum entanglement. It's a very strange phenomenon. A bit can be connected to another bit by a very nanoparticles named as bosons, etc. So what can it do? So when they get connected, they get strongly interconnected with each other. When one particle change states, then another immediately changes states. So this makes quantum computer to handle to send extremely high amount of data in very low time. The situations in which normal computer would take millions and trillions of years, it can be possible with quantum computers in just a few seconds, minutes, or an hours, not more than it. If an immensely difficult problem, so it can be just in 1 year or 2 years, so not more than it. So we are touching actually the quantum technology. We'll use very huge technologies in benefit of us. But what are the difficulties using it? First, they are immensely difficult to make, and it uses the temperatures in minus or 0 to handle itself and make it in a superposition or entanglement state. So immensely difficult, ain't is it? Conclusion: we are touching the wonders of the future. So thank you guys for connecting with us with science and technology, and bye guys. If you like this video, enjoy this, so like, share and subscribe this video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified.